As you all know, we moved most of our snakes here to the facility, but not all of them. We left the biggest snakes at our house until their new 8-foot cages arrived here at the facility, and then we were just gonna move them directly into those cages. Well, today is the big day. The cages from Kages LLC have arrived, so we are going to unload the cages, get them all set up, and then move in our big snakes from home, which means you finally get to meet Jupiter, our rescued boa constrictor. Oh my gosh, these are epic. So we got 5 because we're like, yeah, 5 will fit, and they fit just perfectly against the wall that we wanted them to go on. So that is so cool. Oh, yeah! And they've even got their logo in the back. You can kind of see it there. Nice.
He said if we give him a vector, he could do our logo in there next time.
Oh, did he really?
Yeah.
So we could do like the Snake Discovery logo in the back?
Snake Discovery and the logo in the back.
Ooh, we'll have to do that next time. That's really cool. Okay, while Ed puts on a very special sticker, we have someone watching us. Hi, Peanut.
Creepy.
Are you judging us? Yeah, did we do it correctly? Yeah, okay, old man. You can just sit there. Oh, and Priscilla's out too.
Like, you should have moved those cages better.
Yes, I could have done better. Oh, nice. That is awesome. Well, this is Zach with Kages, the creator of these, and I had a couple of questions for you while we're all here.
Sure.
First off, how do you cut all the pieces?
So all of our stuff is made on a CNC machine. We have a big computerized numerical cutter. What it does is it basically, I go in program software, put in how I want stuff to look, how I want it to fit, I can match it all up, and then it gives me stuff like I can do these really cool vents, I can do ramping tool paths, things like that. And then that way our cages come, they're super precise. Everything is pre-drilled by my machine. So then when you put screws in, everything lines up perfect. It's all accounted for. Really nice process the way it works.
For heating, are yours set up for only like radiant heat panels, or can they do...
Right.
We usually do like belly heat for our big snakes. Is that...
Right. You can definitely do either. Like,
okay.
They're really flexible. PVC is a really great insulator. So what it'll do is it may take a day to heat up, but once it heats up, it holds heat really well.
Really?
And it works out really good for that. Yep, so you can do either or.
Yeah, our plan is to put, we're gonna have 2 mainland retics, like 1 in each, and then we have 2 boas, and then 1 to play around with. Maybe
Yeah, spare.
Oh,
yeah, and a
right.
spare.
Yeah, right,
yeah,
right,
exactly.
right.
Which means either we get something new,
right.
or I'm thinking of a couple upgrades we might move in there too.
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
We had to move them over just slightly to the sprinkler
You
pipes.
can just line up rooms here.
But yeah, we can. That'll be storage.
I was thinking a door, and then if employees need a timeout, we'll have a right
You can
here.
lock them in there.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
right, that would be perfect.
I'm sure people are gonna wonder if
Right.
they're interested in these as well, because we won't all be together this entire video, so I want to get all these questions asked now.
Right.
If people are interested in these, where can they reach you?
On our website, reptilecages.com. That's the best spot to reach out.
And it's Reptile Kages with a K, right?
Yep,
okay,
correct,
just to clarify.
Yep, with a K. Yep, the one
Do
with the
you-
C was taken.
Do you ship?
Oh, all over, internationally.
Really?
Yep,
Internationally too?
Yep, everywhere. Yep.
Nice. Well, we are very excited for these. We can't wait to set them up.
It's
I
gonna
know
be awesome.
you have a lot going on though, so
Right,
I'll let you
right,
go.
perfect.
And Ed and I will take over and we'll get these fired up.
Awesome.
All right, Ed has officially finished putting the heat all together. Look at that professional looking job.
Now, if like the top one just needs to be unplugged for whatever reason.
You can
Done.
just unplug it.
Yep.
Ed put heat tape on one side of each enclosure and covered them up with tile because it'll absorb the heat really well. And we've got that going for all of these. And now we're just waiting for the probe to silicone in place for our thermostat, and then we'll put bedding in, decorations, and we'll be good to go. We have all of our big snakes here with us actually, so you get to meet them very soon. One of Ed's retics is in there, that's Murdoch. Noodle is in there, and we've got our boas with us, and yeah, this is exciting.
All right. Well, I got the first layer of substrate in on the first cage. We went through basically 2 blocks of Eco Earth and 1 Cocoa Blocks. We're gonna need a lot more substrate for these cages. I guess I'll go start doing that.
Ed, what are you doing?
Filling up water.
Oh, that's what you're doing.
What do you think I was doing?
Nothing. Well, here's somebody you haven't met in a while. This is Doug.
Hey, Dougie. How you doing, buddy?
He's such a good boy.
Yeah, you little nose rub issue.
Yeah, well, that was when he cracked the glass and
Oh, that's
scratched.
right.
Yeah, it's a
Yep.
scar from when he busted out of his old cage. But these are much better, aren't they?
Yeah,
Yes.
they're much thicker glass.
Yeah, so you won't be able to bust through these. No, sir. So which one is he going in?
I think he's going in the bottom one.
Bottom? Okay.
Yep.
Doug, look. Check it out. Here's your new home. We put a huge branch in each one so they can climb on it and explore a bit. And they have a cave on one end and a soaking dish on the other. What do you think, Doug? Look at all that space.
It's like instantly behind the cave.
And yep, you're just gonna hide back there. Okay, cool. Well, I'll put you in there. All right, next up is Jupiter. Here's a snake you have not met before. This is Jupiter. We've had her for a year and a half now.
Something like that.
Yeah, she's our rescue boa, rescue fat boa, that we just never really had a good chance to show her on the channel. But here she is in her travel bin. Hey, big girl. So Jupiter is 20 years old. She is a common boa, just like Doug. And
Just
she
big
weighs
and chunky.
60 pounds?
No.
I can't remember.
She doesn't weigh that much.
Not that much?
No, I think
Well, Doug is 20.
I think she probably weighs 35 or 40.
Is that it? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You are a big girl regardless. And she's very, very friendly. And as you can see, she was a little bit over-conditioned. Not as much anymore. I think she's kind of toned out a little bit. She doesn't have as many roles as she used to, but she is such a good girl, and we love her so much. She's eating jumbo rats for us once every 6 weeks or so.
Yep. She doesn't like the jumbo rats every 6 weeks.
Yeah, she'd rather have it every week. She has such a big, bulky head, too.
Yeah.
Like, she is a
Hey,
big
girly.
boa.
Hey,
Yeah.
how you doing?
Do you want to check out your new enclosure, girl?
Yeah.
Hey, girl, look. Ugh. Check it out. This is hers, right?
Yep.
Okay.
She's like, whoa, it's so pretty in here.
Jupiter, look.
But Mom can't hold you up.
You're so big.
I'll help steer.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, she doesn't want to go in the cave.
Oh, do you want
She
to
wants
climb?
explore.
Okay, go explore.
Ugh.
Go check it out. There's a big branch in yours, too. We made sure she had a nice, sturdy branch that would be able to hold her weight.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's in a soaking tub over there, and yeah.
What do you think? Oh, she's right on top. We got concrete mixing tubs for their caves so that it's a nice thick plastic and should be strong enough to hold their weight on top because it's
Yep.
flat as well. So it's not only a height on the inside, but it's like a ledge for them to rest on up top. So we figured that added some more enrichment for them too.
Nope.
Hey girl, what do you think?
What is she doing?
Can I? She's trying to wedge herself under the stick.
Ah.
There, go explore. Oh, she's gonna love all this
Tickle your
space.
tail. Tickle your tail. There.
Alright, let me just push you in. Go on in, girl. We're actually gonna feed all these big guys tonight. They are due for a meal tonight, and we figured it'd be a nice little reward for them for the move and being in transport containers all day.
And all of them will eat just fine.
Oh yeah, they're great eaters. Whew.
Now it's the two big retics time.
Ready for the retake?
Should we start with Noodle?
Sure.
Or start with Murdoch? He's a little smaller.
Okay, end with Noodle?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, first up is Murdoch. What morph is he again?
He's a titanium tiger.
Titanium tiger,
Yeah.
that's right. Hey, buddy. Are you ready to check out your new home? Oh, we got him as a little hatchling, and he
Yeah.
has gotten so big.
He fit in the bottom of a Dixie cup, remember?
Oh, that's right. He did fit in one. Okay, buddy.
Or like a sour cream container.
Yeah, he is so strong, too.
Yeah, he is.
You are a very friendly snake, and I trust you, but we also have a rule in the house that whenever you're dealing with one of the retakes, you have
Or the big boas.
Or the boas, you have a second person around just in case. Because sometimes they just don't know their own strength, and they just hang on to you.
Yep.
And sometimes things can happen. So we always have a second person around just to be safe. Look how strong he is.
Yeah.
Do you want that one?
No, you don't get that one. That's Noodles.
He's not?
Nope, that's
Oh,
Noodles.
sorry, that's not yours. Here, this one's yours.
Ah, ooh.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
And straight into the cave. Yep, there he goes.
Wow.
Dang. He is so pretty. Last but not least.
Last but not least, let's get Noodle.
Okay, Noodle. Hi, sweetie. You've gotten so big too. Hi.
Oh no, scared.
Oh, we're so scared. So scared. Hey, little girl. So she is a golden child,
Yes.
right? Oh my gosh. Okay. She is a lot bigger than all the other snakes. Yeah, you're definitely our biggest snake in length and possibly weight too. Oh, and in strength.
Yeah, she's strong.
Wow, that was hard to explain. Like the pressure, and is hard to explain.
Oh, yeah.
It's amazing the strength she has.
Yeah,
around me.
she's the one that caused the rule in our house to start happening.
Yes, because we realized how strong
Yep,
she was getting.
exactly.
You have to hold her in a way that prevents her body from going around your chest or around your neck area. Again, we trust her, and she's a great snake. But sometimes they just don't know their
Yeah,
own
just
strength.
them holding on to you is a lot of force.
It is. She's an impressive snake, though. That's
Yeah.
for sure. Are you ready? Ready to check out your new home?
Like, I'm ready to explore a bunch of places.
Okay. Ready? Here you go.
Go check out your
Go
face
explore.
noodle.
You don't have to go in the cave right away. You can explore. There you go. You're gonna go into your water dish.
Wanna go behind your water dish?
Can't you make it all the way around?
No.
How is
Oh, she is able to make it through.
Oh, there she is. Hey, pretty girl. Oh, and there she
And
goes.
back into the darkness.
Okay, well, we'll close you up and let them explore.
Yeah.
Then I think what we'll do is we'll come back later tonight and we'll feed them all and see if they take food. I think they all will.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll see. These cages are epic, though.
Yeah, they are. But
These are like the nicest big cages we have.
Mhm.
This is awesome. A sad note, though, you might be wondering where Popeye is. The plan was to bring him here as well and give him one of the cages, but over the last 6 months or so, we noticed his health really starting to decline and show signs of old age. And being a rescue, we didn't really know how old he was, but we know he was neglected in his previous home. And a couple weeks ago, we had to make the really tough decision to euthanize him because his quality of life just wasn't good anymore because he was going downhill so much.
he became super floppy.
Yeah, he
Seemed
had
like
that
labored
floppy-
breathing.
Labored breathing, that was a big one too. We brought him to actually 2 different vets and tried different antibiotics, and we thought maybe it was just a cold and had several opinions, and the general consensus was it's just old age. There's something age-related catching up to him. So we no longer have Popeye. We hadn't announced it to the channel because it's taken a couple of weeks to get our thoughts together about everything. But yeah, we'll miss him greatly because he was probably my favorite snake in our entire
Yeah.
collection. He was very close to me.
He was a friendly boy.
Yeah, he was. So we don't have Popeye going up in here. I think we might maybe move Olive Oil up there, our other albino Burmese.
Yep.
We might be taking in an Argentine boa, and anyway, there's different ideas floating around, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you about Popeye.
Yeah.
So,
Noodle came out.
did she?
Yeah. She's up on top
Aww.
of her.
Oh, look at Jupiter. Hi, Jupiter.
Aw, hi.
Aww.
The heat's underneath you, little
Yeah,
girl.
you're such a cutie. Where's Doug?
Doug doing?
You're not using your cave right, Doug.
It's warm back here, guys.
Well, we're gonna let them settle in and come back later with food.
Murdoch's in his cave.
Yeah, yes, he knows how to use it. Ready to feed?
Sure. I like how you're wearing gloves too.
Oh yeah, actually, I've been working on zoo stuff. And
Yeah,
I
that's
just-
why your face got all messy.
Yeah, I suppose I didn't know it was messy, but yes, working in the zoo. But now we're back and time
Yeah.
to feed.
Look at all the humidity in there.
Yeah, they're gonna love that.
Yes, they will.
Should we work top down or bottom up?
Let's work bottom up.
Okay, that is how we loaded them up.
I feel like my guys will eat, and I
Yeah.
think yours will eat.
Probably. Okay, smallest one's gonna go to Doug. He's the smallest one here. Where are you?
Oh, he's in his water dish.
Oh, are you soaking? Hi, happy boy.
Hey, bud, you ready to eat? Uh-oh. He's looking.
Is he?
I think he's gonna eat.
Hey, Dougie, will you eat? Oh, yes, you will.
He will.
Okay, well, you can't eat like that. So let's go over here. You can
Perfect.
eat over there. All right.
So moving snakes doesn't matter.
They don't care.
Nope.
Okay, Jupiter.
I bet
Hey,
she's
little
gonna
girl.
eat too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see her head.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hey,
She's ready.
hey, big girl. Hi. Let's see, you can have this one. Ready,
I
Jupiter?
bet she'll eat.
I bet so too. Here you go. Ready?
Food?
Oh, geez, there you go.
Like how she missed and got it on the back end.
Yeah, it's a good thing that isn't a live rat.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, enjoy your rat. Time for Murdoch.
He's in his cave. He hasn't left his cave since we put him in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Murdoch, do you want this? Oh, yep.
I think that was a yes.
Yes, I do believe so. And last but not least,
Now, careful with her. I don't know where she is.
she's in her cave.
Okay.
I see her tail. Noodle, you ready for a rat to celebrate? This is like a housewarming gift for all of them.
Yeah.
We don't often see dead rats as housewarming
If you
gifts.
grab it like this, you might be able to like
Hold it more.
hold it more vertically.
Oh, like
yeah,
that?
Like that, yep.
Oh, okay. Ready, Noodle? Happy housewarming. You're in new home.
She's usually... Oh! Yep, that did
Okay.
it. There it is.
Good job, Noodle.
I think she likes her cave. She hasn't been able to fit in her cave at home for a little while. Like she
outgrew it.
hangs out of it
Yeah.
or pushes it up. So I think she likes her new cave.
Yeah, these are gonna work out so nice. And now our big snakes are at the facility.
Yeah.
So they're one step closer to being in the zoo.
There's one step closer to us having no snakes in our house too.
Yeah, that is true.
We just have some quarantine stuff now, right?
That's it. Yeah, and Allie.
And
Turtles
Rex.
and Rex. Yeah.
And the
okay.
green trees.
So there's a couple things still
Yeah.
at home, but there's 4 fewer large
Yes.
snakes in our house.
Our living room, except for garter snakes, is empty.
Yeah, exactly. For anyone interested in acquiring one of the cages, again, you can go to reptilekages.com, cages with a K, that is. Zach and his wife are an amazing team, and it's still so impressive to me that it's just the two of them building all of these high-end cages. So they're worth the wait, and they are worth every single penny. We are loving them so far, and they are going to be perfect, I think.
Yep. Oh, we still have to add the locks to it.
Oh, that's right. We do have to add locks.
Because someone, that boy down there, knows how to push glass open.
Yeah, he does. Okay, we'll add the locks right after this.
Yes.
But they came with locks too,
Yep.
so we'll get all that taken care of. But yeah, our big snakes are now at the facility
Hooray.
and in epic enclosures. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and thank you as always to our very generous Patreon backers for your support. And I think we're good. We're gonna let them eat in peace, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye, Murdoch somewhere. Oh, I see his belly.